Today I'm going to show you how to force some more air into your 3.5 Raptor engine. Alright, so you've done a cold air intake and now you're looking to add some more boost or some more power to your engine, but you really can't force any more air through your stock throttle body. Well, BBK's got the fix for you with their 73mm billet and a die throttle body. It's nicely machined, made in USA, so let me show you how to install it on our 2018 Raptor. Since we're working with electronics on the throttle body, the first step is to remove the negative cable off the battery. Loosen it up, just give it a wiggle, and it'll pop right off. Once you have the battery disconnected, we have to remove the clamp off the throttle body and then the 4 bolts. Just grab a flat blade screwdriver, loosen the clamp, get it loose, put your screwdriver to the side, grab the intake tube, give it a wiggle, and it'll just should break loose. If not, grab your screwdriver under the hose to break that seal loose. Try not to puncture the hose. Sometimes the hose does not want to come off. It's a pain. What we're going to do is get the connection off, take these 4 bolts out, get the throttle body loose so we can wiggle it off the hose. To get the connection off, pull up on the red tab and then just squeeze the plug to get it off. Now let's get the bolts off. All it is an 8mm socket. Once you get the last bolt off, just grab the throttle body, push it to the side and pop it out. There we go. Grab your awesome CNC throttle body, place it back into the hose. It's tough to see where we're at, but it's the same process of taking the old throttle body off, just putting the new one on. Come to Papa. Okay, there we go. Install the driver's side upper throttle body in first. It takes a little bit to get in. Once you have that in place, reinstall the other bolts. When tightening these bolts down, don't go crazy tight because it is a brass thread in the intake. Remember to slide the lock on the plug, retighten your hose clamp, reinstall the battery cable, then your installation is complete. Alright, now you're ready to add some more boost so that throttle body can suck in a lot more air, give you more power out of your 3.5 engine. This will take about 30 minutes to install. All you need is a couple quick tools. For this BBK throttle body and many other great parts, go to cjponyparts.com.